Have you ever had somebody come to you at work with a challenge and an opportunity that they're trying to figure out, and you can see their potential, but you just need to maybe nudge them just a little, give them a little bit of guidance so that they can get to the next level, so that they can solve the problem, they can grasp that opportunity? Well, that's what coaching and that's what mentoring is. That's where you come in. Whether you're a manager or you're a team lead or you're just somebody with some experience to share, being a great coach, being a great mentor can actually make a huge difference in your team and in your workforce. It's all about helping others think big and for them to learn faster and achieve more than they actually thought would have been possible on their own. And you know what the best part is? You actually don't even have to have all the answers. You just need the right approach. Hey, what's up? My name's Chika Eloy, and with over 20 years experience in HR and executive leadership roles, I've had countless opportunities over my years to both coach and both mentor younger peers, as well as sometimes the older or seasoned generation through challenging situation. One thing that I've learned is this: how we approach guiding somebody actually matters, and it matters just as much as the advice or the feedback that we offer. So as we step into this course together, we're going to kind of roll together through the basics of both coaching and mentoring with some simple tips and some real life examples I hope that you can use right away in your workplace, in your role. So let's jump in together and see how you can make a difference today.